Now in this one, most times I na rush to try to blow something. I na rush na mosquito that kalama be oh sorry near. So sometimes we used to rush trying to blow something, blow this. Maybe you see how my hand is doing. You see it will be doing like this. Blah, 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 blah. No, 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 no. It is not being done so. It is not being fanned so. It is not being melee so. And then so the first step, how to hold, how to blow this and that. The first important thing you can put on mail. I got some fly, don't disturb me here. Like this. Close everyone. Give me pen can now. Open and close, done. Open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close. Give me touchala this open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close. Give me it for a long time. Let me just give you 1 week. Give me style, drop a comment on this video, say Neymar Stalia. I will show you another step. I got much each of them, each of this opening, I got much here. So don't just rush to be removing your hand carelessly. Oga will a problem to you. Oga will a problem. Just follow me step by step. Open and close, open and close, open and close. Master. Don't open the ones in on people in just open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close. Boom, 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 boom. But every can get call 15 minutes. May for 15 minutes. Gives you Mela for 15 minutes. Gives you get watch for that day. Then another time give me give master child. Measure key name so that measure open and close up. You can be able to get it. So after this one, I am Bazenke up. And don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel. People are watching my video. You guys are watching my video, and my video is helping many people, both within and around. And you guys are not paying me. But it will not be very nice if you don't want me to earn income from it. Like you subscribe on my YouTube channel, share my videos, like my videos, drop a comment. If I'm doing well, since I've been doing this tutorial over how many years, let's say about more than 3 years, if I'm not mistaken, nobody has ever said you are doing this. It's just I just received a comment from one of my videos. Somebody say thank you, I really appreciate. Honestly, it was like a money given to me. Whoever that does that says Ojamo, this thing you are doing, thank you for encouraging me, thank you for this video. Honestly, the video metron now, I really love it. Thank you for encouraging me with a little word of encouragement. Please, God bless you, and I'll keep on encouraging you as well. And when you know just that to me, just keep on doing, keep on doing. If you find any way to subscribe on my YouTube channel or share my video, just do them, just do it. So coming and watching my video and just go away, it seems as wickedness. So just subscribe on this YouTube channel, share my videos, comment, leave a comment. If you just leave a comment, just comment and also like. Just go watch and go. So thank you and God bless you. Still M. Menanda moment meeting.